I'll show you every way to deposit money into your Chime account instantly, including the new MyPay rules and the secret to fee-free cash deposits. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. First, let's talk cash. Chime doesn't have branches, but they have over 90,000 retail partners. If you go to Walgreens or Duane Reade, the deposit is 100% free. Just walk up to the cashier, open your app, tap Move Money, then tap Deposit Cash. You can either have them scan your in-app barcode or just swipe your Chime debit card. If you use Walmart or 7-Eleven, be prepared to pay a small retailer fee, usually around $4.95, the instant debit transfers method. If you have money in another bank account, don't do a standard transfer, it takes days. Instead, link that bank's debit card in the Chime app. Once it's linked, you can pull money into Chime instantly. It's the fastest way to fund your account if you're in a rush. The mobile check deposit. To do this, you must have your physical card activated. On the app, tap Move Money, then Deposit Check. Place your check on a dark, flat surface with plenty of light. Chime's AI scanner is faster than ever, but if the photo's blurry, it will trigger a manual review that can take 5 days. The new MyPay. If you're short on cash before payday, Chime's MyPay can advance you up to $500. Heads up on this update. If you want that money instantly, there is now a scaled fee between $2 and $5. But if you can wait 24 hours, the transfer is still completely free. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.